I want to show you. I did an album cover for a band from Southern California called Gortuary. Big fans of these guys. I finally got this album. It came out in like 2018. I had a buddy, my friend Brian from Oshuary Industries. He had it, and I was like, "Oh man, I never got one from the band or the label. It would be cool if I can, maybe get my hands on it because I just want one for my collection." I have all the covers I've done, and if you don't know, I do album covers for bands all around the world. And so when I'm finished with the project, I just just a copy, just so I can put it in a box, and people come over, or you know just I can show people like, hey man, some things I've done, and here's like a physical copy of it. But you'd be surprised how hard it is to get just something that you've done work with. But I finally got it. This is a killer band. I've been a fan of these guys for many years. Unfortunately, they broke up. They're a guttural tech death metal band from San Diego. What I like about these guys is that it's a guttural death metal, but they have leads and solos and stuff in it, which you don't really get to hear in that genre. And these guys were killer live. All of them are super, super cool human beings. So yeah, big shout out to the guys from Gortuary. I wish them all the best, and whatever their adventures are, and whatever musical avenues they go into now. But yeah, this is a killer album, killer band. Like I say, these guys are from San Diego, and they've been crushing it for many years. And unfortunately, they're not around anymore. But I just want to show you guys, another one of these albums that I've done. And yeah, so thank you for your time. I appreciate you.